Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Today we are going to start new chapter in maths. Okay, that is chapter 12, perimeter and area, part 1. Now in perimeter, here you can see the perimeter of a square we are going to find out. Okay, here what is the shape of this figure? It is a square. You can see the measurement is given. What is the measurement of the sides? Yes, now it is 3 centimeter. That is the length of all the sides of a square is equal. Okay, so you can see 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter on all the sides. Now the perimeter of a square is the sum of the length of all the four sides of the square. So if you have to find the perimeter of a square, what you will do? You have to add. Sum means you have to add the length of all the four sides of the square. In the figure, each side of the square is how much? 3 centimeter. Okay. So now first we have to write the formula. The perimeter of the square is equal to the sum of the length of four sides. Okay. How many sides the square has? Four sides. So we will add the length of all the four sides. So what will be the answer? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 centimeter is equal to how much? If you add 3 4 times, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, what you will get? 12 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of a square is how much? 12 centimeter. So, this is the answer, children. Okay. Now, let us see how to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Here you can see the length is and breadth of the perimeter is given, right? 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. So, now we have to find the perimeter of a rectangle. The perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of the length of all the four sides of the rectangle. Now what you have to do? You have to add the length of all the four sides of a rectangle. In the figure, each side of rectangle is how much? 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, right? Now first what you will do? You have to write the formula. That is, the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to the sum of the length of four sides. Now, what you will do? You will write the length and breadth. That is 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 centimeter is equal to how much? Now 4 plus 3 is how much? 7. Right? 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. So what is the answer? Answer is 14 centimeter. So how you are going to write? Therefore, the perimeter of a rectangle is 14 centimeter. Your answer is, therefore, the perimeter of a rectangle is how much? 14 centimeter. So this is your answer, children. Now we will see how to find the perimeter of a triangle. Here you can see the shape is given of a triangle and the length of the sides is also given. 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Okay, now let us see how to find the perimeter of a triangle. Now let us see how to find the perimeter of a triangle. The perimeter of a triangle is the sum of the length of all the three sides of the triangle. Now, how many sides a triangle have? A triangle has three sides. Okay. So, you have to add all the three sides of a triangle. Now, in the figure, each side of a triangle is how much? 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Now, let us write the formula. The perimeter of the triangle is equal to the sum of the length of three sides. Okay. So, this formula you have to remember. What is the formula? the perimeter of the triangle is equal to the sum of the lengths of three sides. Okay, you have to add the length of all the three sides of a triangle. Now next step is what? You will add the length, that is 2 plus 3 plus 4. You will add the length of all the three sides. So 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. Okay, and 5 plus 4 is how much? 9 centimeter. Therefore the perimeter of a triangle is 9 centimeter. So what is the answer? The perimeter of a triangle is 9 centimeter. So this is your answer. Now let us do some questions we can solve. Find the perimeter of the figures given below. Now some figures will be given. You have to find the perimeter of the figures, and those figures maybe it can be a triangle, it can be a rectangle, or it can be a square. Now since you know you can say the formula how to find the perimeter. Now this first question, what is the shape of the figure? It is a rectangle. You can see the length and breadth is given 1 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Now how you are going to find the perimeter of a rectangle? What is the formula if you remember? Yes, it is the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to the sum of the length of the four sides, right? So what you will do? You will add 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1. You can do it orally also. So 4 plus 1 is how much? 5. 5 plus 4 is how much? 9. 9 plus 1 is how much? 10. So what will be your answer? Perimeter is equal to how much centimeter? 10 centimeter. So what is your answer? Perimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. Now second question. What is the shape given in this question? Yes, it is a square. And what is the length given of the square? Each side is how much? 5 centimeter. Okay. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So you have to add 5. How many times? 4 times. So what will be the answer? 5 plus 5? 10. 10 plus 5? 15. 15 plus 5 is how much? 20. So perimeter is equal to dash centimeter. What will be the answer? Yes, perimeter is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay, children? So this is how you are going to add it orally and then write the answer. Now, third question. What is the shape given in this question? Yes, it is a triangle. 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter is the length given of. One side is 4 centimeter, other side is 6 centimeter, and the base is 5 centimeter, right? So how you are going to find the perimeter of a triangle? What is the formula if you remember? Perimeter of a triangle is equal to the length of three sides of a triangle. So 4 plus 6 is how much? 10. And 10 plus 5 is how much? 15. So what is the answer? Perimeter is equal to dash centimeter. Answer is 15 centimeter. So perimeter of a triangle is equal to how much? 15 centimeter. Now next question. Here again you can see it is the shape of a rectangle. So length and breadth is given 2 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Right? So what is the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to the sum of the length of four sides. How many sides you can see in this figure? 4 sides. So you have to add the length of all the 4 sides of a rectangle. So 2 plus 7 is how much? 14. Sorry, 2 plus 7 is how much? 9. 9 plus 2 is how much? Yes. 9, 10, 11. Right? And 11 plus 7 is how much? 18. So what is the answer? Perimeter is equal to dash centimeter. What will be the answer? 18 centimeter. So your answer is perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 18 centimeter. Now next question. Here also you can see again this is the shape of a rectangle. And what is the measurement? The length and breadth given here 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Here you can see the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So the opposite sides measurement is same. Okay. Now how you are going to find perimeter of a rectangle? What you will do? Yes, 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5. Okay. So 3 plus 5 is how much? 8. 8 plus 3 is how much? 11. Okay. 11 plus 5 is how much? 11 plus 5. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to how much centimeter? What is the answer? 16 centimeter. So perimeter is equal to 16 centimeter. So this is your answer, children. Okay. So with this, I hope you must have understood how to find out the perimeter of a rectangle, triangle and square. Remember, you have to learn the formula. Okay, if you remember the formula, you will be able to do the sum. Okay, thank you.